The screen panel by GIK Acoustics packs GIK's unrivaled absorption technology into a freestanding GoBo that can go anywhere and do anything. The folding design makes it perfect for live recording areas that need a flexible treatment strategy. Use them to isolate your vocals and instruments, or place them along the walls and corners to treat your first reflections and bass buildup. When folded, the screen panel performs like a 2-4-4 bass trap, or it can be folded into a V and used on your back wall to help manage those nasty low-end peaks and nulls. The screen panel measures 6 feet tall, with each section being 16 inches wide for a large and effective profile. Multiple screen panels can be combined to make temporary vocal boosts, and the wide range of color options means it'll look great in any space. Get free acoustic advice. Visit gikacoustics.com for educational articles and tutorials.